It's not easy to be one of the safest new cars. The peak performers must provide the best protection for adult and child occupants, minimise the harm they do to pedestrians and cyclists in collisions, and be kitted out with active safety systems that can take action to prevent accidents. It's this last area where the biggest advances in road safety are taking place. So I'm here with Matthew Avery from Thatcham Research to try out the 3 safest new cars and see which one will be the What Car 2020 Safety Award winner. So the first car we're driving is a BMW 3 Series. It's a great place to be in an accident because it's very safe, but it's also really good at avoiding collisions in the first place. Can you tell me more about what it can do?
Well, this has got a very, very good AEB system, automatic emergency brake system. It's using a radar and a camera to sense what's ahead of it. If there's a potential collision, it will warn the driver. As you can see now, it will start to warn me, and if I don't respond, it will just automatically brake, as you can feel it there. And you can see it's slowing the vehicle down. It has the warning lights on because it's telling other traffic that was a potential collision.
So the Mercedes-Benz CLA was the highest scoring car in Euro NCAP tests in 2019, and it's got great passive safety features. Does it have the same active safety systems as the other cars?
Well, it does, but it's got an additional trick up its sleeve because it's got something called emergency lane keeping. So if you're not watching what you're doing and there's a threat on the other side of the road and we're merging over one of the lanes, you can see it just pulls itself back in. So that system just prevented a head-on collision. And I wasn't thinking about it, the car just moved itself over automatically, and that's a lifesaver because some of the most severe collisions we have are those head-on collisions, and this vehicle will stop that. The Tesla Model 3 gained by far the highest score for safety assist systems in 2019. So what's it got that the other cars haven't? Well, it does really well. It's got a fantastic AEB system, it's got a very good emergency lane keeping system, and it's got a very good cyclist detection system. This is our cyclist test here, and you can hear the vehicle identify the cyclist and the vehicle comes to a halt automatically. There are 18,000 casualties of cyclists on UK roads every year. We have about 100 fatalities. People are cycling a lot more, so we need our vehicles to have systems like this. And this has got a very good system, which is why it's one of our winners.
So now we've seen what all 3 of these cars can do. Which one of them is the winner? Which one deserves the accolade What Car 2020 Safety Award winner?
Well, I think it's got to be this one, the BMW 3 Series. It's such a good all-rounder. It doesn't excel sort of in any single area, but it's right at the top with every score that we do. So as a driver's car, this has got the safety background and the backup that's going to protect you. So as an all-round safety choice, it's got to be the BMW Series.
And as this new technology filters down into more and more cars, what sort of impact will it have on road safety?
Well, another reason why this car is such a good car and such a safe car and a deserved winner is the fact that as the BMW 3 Series, it's a mainstream car. We see so many of them on the road. So more and more vehicles that have got this collision avoidance technology that's going to protect us. So this car doesn't just protect the people in it, it protects the people around it. That's good for society.